Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Fred, and today we're making Arroz Caldo. So before we begin, I want to say Happy New Year and I hope everyone is healthy and staying safe. And again, if you're new to my channel, please click that subscribe button, click the like button, click that notification bell, and also comment down below if you have anything else you want me to cook. Share the video if you want to, and that's about it. So, ta-da! So here are our ingredients. We'll need some rice, we'll need oil, onion, ginger, garlic, chicken stock powder or chicken stock, black pepper, chicken, fish sauce, some eggs, and this is optional, Magic Sarap. So let's begin. To start with, boil some water in a pot, put in your chicken and cook it. Once that's cooked, drain the water from the pot and then pull the chicken into shreds using a fork. If you have a sand mixer, you can use that. In a different pot, boil some water, add in your eggs. I'll cook it for 8 minutes to just have a perfectly cooked egg, and then remove the water, leave it in the sink, and then run it to cold water to cool it down. Once cooled down, crack it open to remove the skin. As you can see here, just keep removing it, peeling it off, and voila. Now next, on to the onion. Slice it. You can slice it however you want. You can make it finer if you want and just set it aside. And then I have garlic cloves because I don't buy whole garlic anymore. Just want to mince them up. My partner doesn't like whole garlic, so you just make sure you slice it up. Not everyone likes garlic. And then using a spoon, peeling a ginger. This is actually a good trick. Once that's peeled, you want to slice that off. And here I'm actually going to mince it a bit finer so that it mixes well with our arroz caldo. And then once everything's ready, put in oil in your pot. And then just add in your onions first and let it cook. You want it to be translucent a little bit. Once that's translucent, you can add in your ginger and garlic to the mix. You want to saute that for a few minutes until it's quite fragrant. And once it's fragrant, you want to add in some water. So that's about it. You just want to add in some water into it and let it boil for a little bit, and then add in your chicken stock. Put in 2 tablespoons here because I like the flavor, but you can add less or more depending on what your flavor profile is. And then add in our Magic Sarap, which is a Filipino seasoning mix, but it's amazing. Add in your black pepper, just mix it around. You want to give it a good mix with every good thing that's in it. And then add in your fish sauce because that's your salt basically. Then add in your rice once everything's boiling. Add in everything in there. Then add in your pulled chicken or your shredded chicken to the mix and just let it cook for a few minutes. Once it's cooked, it should be bubbling like this. And now we're ready to put it in our bowl. So let's put some in our bowl here. Putting in at least 2 scoops in there, adding in some broth along the way. Look at that, smoking and hot as it is. And you just want to keep adding a little bit more liquid in there because you want it to look good. And then grab our hard-boiled egg and cut it in half. Look at that, it's actually good looking. It's cooked nicely. That's 8 minutes, guys. And just add in some fried garlic. Quite a glutton for garlic, so I put in a bit more. So here is your arroz caldo ready to eat. Let me know what you think and enjoy.